Today we're at Byrider in North Charleston doing a walk around on a 2012 Honda Civic. We're going to start right up front checking our tires. Brand new tires. You can still see the nubs there. As we come around the vehicle, we just want to look for any major dents, dings, scratches. Got a little scuff or two there at the rear bumper. Nothing major. No signs of any major impact. Just a little scratch. Passenger side looks good. Just some normal wear and tear. Inside the Civic, you're going to have full power windows and locks. Multiple adjustments here for the driver's seat. It's going to be a gray cloth seating. Up on the dash here, 125,961 is your current mileage. AM, FM, CD, climate control. As we turn the AC up, nice and cold. Multiple power auxiliary ports there. You've got some additional storage as well as USB inside that center console. Taking a look now in the back seat. Just do a quick pan over the seating surface here. No rips, no tears in the fabric. All the flooring looks intact. Inside the trunk of the Civic, decent space back here. That rear seat can be laid down from right here so you don't have to crawl in the vehicle to gain some additional cargo space. Tire and tools going to be just under the floor. From the passenger side now, just another quick look around. We're going to wrap up in the front passenger seat, taking one more look over those seat backs up front here. One more spin around the back. And that's going to wrap up your 2012 Honda Civic.